Hi, Tina. My name is Issa O'Hara with Media Magic Marketing, and this is the video that I promised that would help you by giving you 3 things you can do to improve your organic ranking in Google search results. So I want to start by looking at your website. Beautiful. I know you said you were redoing it. So I just thought I'd give you these tips that maybe you can incorporate some of this information as you have the website before it launches. So one of the things, your pictures are beautiful. I mean, all the way through, everything in here is gorgeous with the different sections. And what I'm seeing is there's a lot of photos, which I see that with the all photographers have a lot of photos on their sites. What Google is looking for, though, is words. So they do want some more words. Things are a lot denser now with websites, so it's a lot more long form copy where you have, maybe pictures and copy. And you can also put some words behind the pictures. You can put it in the metadata of the pictures and get some keywords going in there. And so I do recommend doing that and looking at, targeting those things, the areas that you want to be seen in. And then also looking at what we call citations. So that's the location. I know you're located in Lubbock, but you also do things around Lubbock. So you could have citations actually for multiple areas for your website. So this is great. I wanted to show you when searching for wedding photographers in Lubbock, Texas, that we have Susie Taylor comes up first in the Google Map area. So this is the Google Map pack, which is where citations become very important so that Google knows that you're a real business. You are trustworthy. So they have different rankings that they look at, and they look at the number of words on your website and the number of keywords. And then, of course, they have web crawlers crawling through all of that stuff all of the time and, getting data from that. And so if we look down here in the organic results, of course, we have the Wedding Wire, the Knot, and Wedding Rule, which are lead generation sites and also places for brides and grooms to, put their information, which is amazing. But down below, so the very first one after those 3 sites is this Michaela Dawn photography. And then we also have up here, Susie Taylor and Kaylee Ann are the number 1 and 2. You want to really want to be in the top 3 in the Google Map pack up here. And you want to be like at the top 3 down here after these guys, because people won't go very much farther after that. And you can look to see what people are looking for. So you can look at these kind of sections here, and that will inform you on what kinds of keywords you should be putting into your site. And if we keep going down, you'll see that your site isn't here yet, and we still go down, and it's still a while. So if we go to the Google Map Pack, I believe we show up about number 10 or so. 4, 6, yeah, 8, number 8 in the list here. So you just, if you get that keyword, the density, get some more words on your site, and with some more keywords with the right ratio, that will help to lift your ranking. And then let me just show you what some of these other websites look like. So this is Susie Taylor. She doesn't have a lot of words on her site either. So I'm guessing she probably has some stuff stuck behind these pictures with some keywords. I'm going to show you some analysis on that as well. And then we have this Michaela Dawn, she's got Dawn Photo Co, but she didn't change that in her Google. So this is the one that's getting the activity. So shame on her. She should have updated that in her Google, in her citations and everything. So that would have updated this click, and this is not a secure website. So hopefully her new one is secure. Yes, it looks like it is. So I did the analysis on the wrong site. So I'll fix that here in just a second. So I'm going to show you on here here, I'll do it on this one. She had some good stuff there, but this is the software that I use to analyze websites and to help them to get ranked. So hers is a new website, so she doesn't have a lot of ranking. So she lost all of her ranking information when she moved to this new site, because they didn't bring all the stuff over, which is unfortunate. So for Susie Taylor, which was this site here, and which is, her pictures are beautiful. All you photographers are amazing. I'm always very jelly of how well you can do things. I'm not a photographer at all. So if you look here, this is the software, and it's got a lot of gobbledygook on it. But the main things I look at to start is the UR and the DR. So the UR is the trust factor. So that says, you want Google to trust you. So it's looking at various things and gives it this trust factor. And then the DR is a power factor. So it's more about how your strength of how confident they are, and and the strength of who you are and your brand and everything. And so this is great because her UR and DR is very close together. You want these two numbers, even if they're low, you want them to be close to each other, because you don't want one to really outweigh the other. They're both very important. She's got 180 backlinks, which means these are the number of links that somebody else, another website, is pointing to her website. And so the more of these that you have, the more that Google says, oh, this is the real deal. And we really, we like this person. So it's going to lift that organic search results. And now these backlinks, they come from 73 unique domains. And then on here, she's got 4 organic keywords, which is pretty low. And so looking at this right here, it'd be super easy to beat her in the Google search results. And, and that would be here in the Google Map Pack. So it'd be very easy to do that. So, because if I look at you, you can see that your UR is 19 and your DR is 88. And so this is your power rating, but we want to get this UR up to that 88 number. And that's how you're just going to blow everybody else out of the water. So you have 120 backlinks, but you only have 28 referring domains. So with these, we want to get some more referring domains, some more backlinks, and that'll get your trust factor increased. You have 68 organic keywords, which is great, but you don't really have any organic traffic coming through. So I always feel like, we invest that money into our website. We really want that traffic to come in so that website pays for itself. So just in summary, the 3 things that you can do on your new website is to increase the number of words you have on there and the number of keywords. Also get those citations, increase the citations. So those listings like Yelp and Bing and there's a bunch of others. And you can do things like guest posts on other websites, or they have Google News Network that you can write, do news stories, things like that, that can help to increase that trust factor with Google. And then also getting so you'd have the more referring domains and more backlinks, and then just beef up even, your content with the keywords. So I hope this was helpful. I look forward to hearing back from you to let me know what you thought. Thank you. Have a great day.